What's going on, everyone? Michigan 1777. So, as you guys remember the other day, I upgraded my Sony Pulse Elites with the new Brainwaves ear pads, and then I had put a new band on here. The old band, the newer band fell off. It was the fake leather on there actually ripped off, basically, so it didn't stick. So what I did, I went to Hobby Lobby today. Got me some faux leather, $2.50 for like a 5-foot roll. And I took the rest of the memory foam neck pillow, basically, cut that up. And I made a new headband. So basically what I did, I took the headband and I wrapped it the first time basically on the headband itself, so that it would give a base layer for the glue to be put on. So basically, I wrapped it in first, and then I took the memory foam, put that on there next so that it was stuck to the first layer of the leather. And then what I did from there, I wrapped that memory foam again in more leather. And then I took one final piece and I put it across the top here to make it look more seamless. And like, wow, I tried it on for a little bit. I didn't want to try it on for too long because obviously it's still drying. Super glue, I believe, takes 24 hours to completely dry. But for the short time I had it on, oh my goodness, like the comfort, the other day I was saying, it's a 9 or 10 on comfort. Like this is a 10. Like absolutely a 10. If you all need to upgrade your Sony Pulse Elite, seriously, take this idea, go to Joann Fabrics, get some fake leather, and just cram it inside of this fake leather, and it is the most comfortable headset I have ever used. I am so happy I made this upgrade, and I can't wait to play more games with it. The fit is excellent. I don't have to bring the bands out as far as I was, and it's just so much better. So anyway, I thought I'd give you all an update. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this small series here. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I can bring you all more content. And I should be upgrading my WH-1000 XM2s next, so look forward to that. So, all right, I hope you all have a great evening, great day, and thanks for watching this video. Have a good one.